Right, welcome to Network Marketing Automated Recruiting System Blueprint. And your host is Ambassador Ango Soli Udare. The information I'm about to reveal to you can turn around your network marketing business for better. It can liberate you financially. It can change around everything about your business. Please make sure you pay 100% attention and watch this video to the end. Now, the first question I have for you is this. If there was a way for you to predictably recruit more downlines, consistently grow your team, and scale your business to 2x, 10x, or even 100x, will you give it your 100% attention? Imagine a system that can exponentially grow your business 10x from today's present result to a very top high tomorrow's results. The big question is, will you give it 100% attention? If there is a system proven to help you compress decades of hard labor and struggles into weeks, will you implement it? And if there was a proven system that guarantees you could easily create more success in your business when implemented 100%, will you do it? Now, here is my bold promise to you. By the end of this training, you will have the exact step-by-step blueprint to personally sponsor between 20 to 50 new team members in your business every single month with zero objection and without having to bug friends and family members or even prospect random strangers. Who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Ambassador Ango Soli Udare. I am a professional network marketer and I have built a very successful network marketing business in the last 18 years. I've achieved multiple seven-figure earner in network marketing. I've built houses both in Abuja and my hometown, Ilorin. I've won 2 brand new cars in my network marketing business. I bought 5 cars with my network marketing money in the last 18 years. I've also enjoyed free trips to countries like Kenya, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi. I've coached and mentored over 50,000 network marketers, many of whom are highly successful today. Now, this is the picture of me on the first time ever that I was traveling out of Nigeria, courtesy of my success in network marketing space. And this happened to me in 2014, meaning that as far back as 2014, I've been able to build a successful business to the extent that I won a free trip to Dubai. You can see me clearly. At the background was the Burj Arab. This building is an iconic building that people normally use to represent Dubai. That is the first 7-star hotel in the whole world. I've been there live and direct. You can see me more clearly in Abu Dhabi. And when I was in Dubai, I lodged at Dubai Grand Hotel by Fortune. You can see me here enjoying a desert safari in Deira, Dubai. And you can also see me at the call center of Dubai Mall. You can see the skeleton of the dinosaur mounted at the center of Dubai Mall. And with me, posing for picture is one of my Sussex line, my downlines, who also qualified for free trip with me. In the last 18 years, I've been in the business. I've had the opportunity of buying cars, like such as this Passat you are seeing here, this Toyota Mozu, this Hilux, this Lexus Jeep. And I've also won a brand new car twice in my network marketing experience. And these are some of my team members who also won brand new cars with me. Today, I thank God that God has been able to bless me. I've had several, lifestyle travel, both international and even local. These days, when I travel from my hometown for annual convention from Ilorin to Abuja, I go on flight even with some of my team members. Every year, I'm able to give my team members, my family, a sumptuous family vacation. You can see me here with Ambassador Yemi Farumbi, that's the former Nigerian ambassador to the Philippines, in attendance at one of my big events in Ilorin. You can see me in another occasion with him in one of my big events. Here is me and my wife in one of my company's gala nights. If you have been around in network marketing for a while, you agree with me that it is only leaders, top earners, top leaders that are invited to gala nights. The person sitting beside my wife there was the vice president of my company. Okay, so I've had, I can see him posing with picture with us. So I've had this several gala nights experience. Okay, and with me here was the representative of the Emir of Ilorin, Alhaji Ibrahim Zulu Gambari, at the official opening of my office in Ilorin. And this is also one of my experience traveling from Ilorin to Lagos, from Lagos to Kano, all to go and train leaders across Nigeria. So I've had my own little, share of success in the network marketing space. That is why I'm showing you this. And these are some of the reasons why people join this business. I don't know why you really got involved in network marketing. Maybe you got involved to be able to build or buy your own house, be able to enjoy vacation, be able to travel around with your family, give them a very good family life. Or maybe you join network marketing to be able to help others. All I know is that it is all about true freedom and better lifestyle. Many of these things, some people only dream about it and they may never realize it if they fail to get the right knowledge and the right system to build their business. The unfortunate story of the 99% of people in network marketing is that when they start the business, they start with enthusiasm and they recruit few people and earn little money here and there, and before you know it, they get stuck. They are unable to duplicate or to make full-time income. Here is the network marketing statistics that many people are not talking about. Please pay attention to this. Over 200 million people are involved in network marketing worldwide. And out of these 200 people that are involved in network marketing, only 0.1% that are seven-figure earners. And these people earn between $1 million and above. Only 0.4% that are six-figure earners. They earn between $100,000 to $999,000 each year. Then we also have the 4% people that are doing just okay. These are set of leaders that are earning between $10,000 to $99,000 each year. Now, the bulk of the people, the majority of the people, the 95% of networker in the industry never make money, or they struggle to even make peanuts. Now, if you had the 95% of people who never make money to the 4% of people who are just doing okay, that gives us 99%. This 99% of people never achieve six-figure income per annum in their entire network marketing career. You can imagine that. 99% of people will never smell six-figure income in their entire career. That is a very large failure rate in the network marketing industry. And that calls for concern. Only 0.5, about 0.5 people are living the network marketing dream lifestyle. Now, what is the major problem? The major problem is that 99% of network marketers struggle to recruit downlines, and they are unable to grow a stable organization. Why? Because they do not have a fast and very scalable marketing system. For most networkers, their systems is centered around talking to everyone you know or you have come across about your business. You are asked to talk to friends, talking to family, your neighbors, your church or mosque members, your colleagues at work, your classmates, or even total strangers on the street. You try to talk to the person on the line with you in the banking hall or in the supermarket or bus stop. These have been the traditional ways of building business. Or people post endlessly and spam people up and down on the social media. Or you call and message everyone on your phone. I've even seen where networkers goes on the street copying phone number from every signboards that they come across. Or even going through newspaper and copying phone numbers from every page, every number they can find in any paper, in any newspaper. That has been the kind of system that we are used to in building our business. And that is what has led to 99% of people that will never smell six-figure income. Now here is how the top 0.5% people build their business. They focus on system and leverage automation. I repeat, the 0.5% top earners focus on system and leverage automation. You know that this popular saying that says the speed of the leader is the speed of the team. If your system is a slow type, that is exactly what you are going to duplicate in your team. But when you have a very supersonic high-speed system of building business, you definitely duplicate the same thing to your downline. What is the full meaning of system? Like you already know, a system is supposed to save you stress, time, energy, and money. So when we say system, it means save yourself stress, time, energy, and money. This system, this automated recruiting system I'm about to unveil to you, will save you a lot of stress. It will save you a lot of time and energy, and even going to save you money. So pay attention. Make sure you follow through this video till the end. Now here is a simple 5-step framework that you can use to turn your business around. I'm going to show you how it all works, and most importantly, how you can implement it in your business. Now let's dive in. The outcome is that you'll be able to recruit massively. You create rapid duplication and scale your business across different countries. Now here is the golden rule. Pay attention. Here is the golden rule for you to automate your network marketing business. You get prospects reaching out, coming to you, rather than you chasing after them. And this is called power positioning. I repeat, the golden rule here, if you truly want to automate your business, you must be at home. You must be comfortable with the idea of people coming to you instead of you rushing after people. And that's called power positioning. Now here is step 1 of what you need to do to automate your network marketing business. Step 1, create an offer around your network marketing opportunity. What does it mean to create an offer around your network marketing opportunity? You ask yourself this question: what is the valuable thing or unique experience that you can give to prospects, and which you are the only one giving it out in order to get people coming to you and choosing you over others? So if you want to stop chasing after prospects, if you want to stop bugging your friends and family to take a look at your business opportunity, you must find something very valuable. It could be a unique experience that you possess. It could be a very sound idea that you got that can help people solve their problem out there. Then you be willing to give it out to people for free, such that for that reason, they will be the one coming to you because of the value you are sharing for free, instead of you rushing after people. I believe you understand this. Now, there are different types of offer, but for the scope of this particular video, I'm only going to cover just one. Okay? And that one is called your acquisition offer. Offer number one is called your acquisition offer. An acquisition offer is also known as lead magnet. It is the offer you create to attract and get prospects coming to you. You create a valuable piece of information that helps the prospect solve a particular problem or challenge or difficulty that they are having, and give it out for free. And this could be a free guide or resources. It could be a free training. It could be a free video or audio or free ebook or even free blog post and so on. When you give out this kind of resources out for free, you get people attracted to yourself instead of you running after people. Step 2, you set up your marketing systems. Now, having system in place is the best way to produce massive results with least or almost zero effort in your network marketing business. I repeat, having system in place is the way to produce massive results with least or almost zero effort. Now, there are 5 must-have marketing systems you need. Okay? There are 5 must-have marketing systems that you need to have in place. Now, I have treated one, which is creating an offer around your business. And this is the next one. The next 3 is you need to have lead generation system. You also need to have in place presentation system, and you also need to put in place a follow-up system. Now, lead generation system. Let's talk about lead generation system. This system gets qualified and targeted prospects coming to you consistently on daily basis rather than you chasing after prospects. And it consists of your post about your free offer. Please, at this point, you need to pay 100% attention. If you get this aspect very well, every other thing will be very clear to you. Now, I've already talked about how you need to create an offer, something valuable that only you can give out to people out there and that will help them solve their problem. Now, once you have put that in place, you must post about it. You must create a post about it. And better still, when you make this post, let it be a sponsored post, meaning that you are paying the platform where you are making this post to make this your information reach out to larger number of people. Or more importantly, reaching out, you want them to make it reach out to your targeted audience, to a specific type of people or caliber of people. What you are seeing right now is a perfect example of what is a perfect example of an offer. This is a post on Facebook posted by Alex Singer. It says, wants to master webinar, board of webinars, 22 webinar legends, reveals how they convert Stone Cold leads into $1,000+ buyers using webinars. Now look at these legends, these 22 webinar legends, and it's showing just the first 3. Himself at the center, and number 1 there is Jay Abraham. Go and do your research about Jay Abraham. Jay Abraham is a marketing guru. He's a copyright expert. And this man and a singer have already interviewed Jay Abraham on a video alongside some other 21 legends. So he has all of these videos together and is willing to give it out for people who are interested in making money from webinars. Nobody who is interested in creating webinars that would not want to lay his hand on this kind of free offer. And it's 100% free. Can you see it at the bottom? It says 100% free webinar mastery. So this is a perfect example. So all the viewer need to do is to click on the learn more button and be able to download this for free. So in that case, the person who make this poll doesn't need to beg people before they click his link, because those who are interested will be very grateful to lay their hands on it. Are we together? Now, the next one. After you have made your post about your offer, you need to set up your lead capture page. This is an example of a lead capture page attached to this particular offer. So when people click the learn button, they will land on this next page. Don't forget, all of these things is happening on the internet space, from a social media platform where you posted about your offer and that is sponsored, and somebody clicks a learn more button, then the person will land on your landing page that's also called your lead capture page. And the lead capture page says, yes, I am ready to learn from these marketers. So it says step 1, enter your best email address. Enter your best email address. So anybody that wants to get this offer must have to enter his email address here. And the next thing, the person will click this button that says, yes, give me free access now. And when they enter the email and click the give me the free access now, they will land on this page that is called thank you page. Now the thank you page is simply thanking them for believing in him, for entering their email, or for applying for this free offer, and the person will probably deliver that offer right there on the thank you page, or deliver it in the email address. So this is how you get people coming to you. These three things put together, the post about your free offer, your lead capture page, and your thank you page, it is what is called marketing system. Now, another system that you need to put together is a presentation system. This system helps you share the business opportunity to tens and thousands of people 24/7 without you ever talking to anybody. All you need is just a page with a professionally done opportunity presentation. So when you have a presentation system in place, people can watch your business presentation from any part of the world at any point in time. So just a page, a business presentation system is just a page with a link that you give to prospects who request to see opportunity presentation. Instead of you waiting until the next day or next week when you're going to be having the next opportunity meeting, you simply send a link to somebody's inbox, WhatsApp inbox, and the person clicks that link and the person can watch a full presentation online at any time. That is a perfect example of presentation system. You also need to put your follow-up system in place. This system helps you to effectively follow up with prospects. You follow up prospects effectively and it runs 24/7 on complete automation. It nurtures your prospects till they are ready to sign up. Sometimes you have in mind to follow up somebody and you may forget, but a standard online follow-up system never forgets. So here is an example. somebody may get series of email as a form of follow-up. So as somebody is applying for your free offer, on day one, he may get an email. The next day or 2 days later, the person may get another follow-up email. By 2 days later, the person may get another mail. You can set series of email campaign, email sequence in place to the number of days that you like. Maybe 60 days or 90 days. And the good thing is that you only schedule, you program this campaign, you schedule it. Once it is the right time that you set to it, the mail will fire itself and will deliver right there in that person's email address. Step 3, traffic. Getting as much people to see your offer. After you have created an offer and you have posted about it, you must make as much people to get to see it. And your go-to strategy to exposing your offer to large traffic is to do a paid for advert. Forget what they tell you about you posting on your Facebook feed every day, posting on your status every day, posting a story or posting twice or thrice in a day. That when you do that, you're going to gather a very large, kind of followers that will eventually join your business. Yes, it is possible, but that is not the strategy that the top earners are using. That is not the main strategy. If I may put it that way, that is not the main strategy that gets them to the top. The main strategy that gets those top earners that are earning over $1 million per annum in their network marketing business, the best strategy they use is exactly what I'm sharing with you right now. How do we get people to take a look at our business before now? Here is the old school way of exposing our business. We can do one-on-one meeting, which you can call gapping. You grab a pen with somebody, sit somebody down, and you present. If you have been around the network marketing business for a while, you can do this all by yourself. But if you are just new person, you may not be able to do one-on-one by yourself. You might need 2-on-1. You call on your upline to help you talk to your prospect. You only just be a good bridge between your upline and your prospect. Another way we expose people to our business is having home lunch. Here is a leader doing home lunch in the living room of his new sign-up. When we do home lunches, we do as many one-on-one and we are not getting as much result as expected. We also result into active call booking. We ask that person to recommend every damn person on his contacts. And as the upline, you help him book them for a business presentation following a particular script. Now, when we do all of this script calling and we exhausted all of those lists, what next do we normally do? We hit the streets. We go out to do questionnaires. We go out to do tickets. We go out to share flyers. We go out there chasing people under hot sun. We go out there late in the night. I have seen many networkers leaving very early as 6 o'clock, 6:30. They are out on the street, even if it is under cold or even if it is drizzly. People go out very early so as to catch up with some responsible working class that might join their business. Why I've also seen some networkers go out in the night to post posters. I used to do that when I was in Abuja. We go around in the night to post posters. If you do that in the daytime, you may get arrested. Some people hang around shopping malls. We hang around eatery centers just to be able to have a brief talk with customers of these eatery centers and be able to invite them for a business presentation. And at the end of the day, we just hope to get 2 or more people that will sign up. They will also follow the same process and be able to get 2. These are the old way of doing business. These are the traditional way of doing business. Now, what is the new school? If this is the old school way of doing business, what is the new school? The new school is exactly what I've just showed you now. The new school is you creating an offer that will attract people to you, the right targeted people to you, and you make a post about that offer either on Google, that is, you do a sponsored ad about that particular offer on Google ads or Facebook ads or Instagram ads or even YouTube advertising. And when you run that ads, people will click on it with the hope of getting that ads from you, and eventually they will have to drop their contacts. The reason why you go out to meet people is to eventually get their phone number. So whatever thing you also do online to get people contacts also works. So when you place adverts for a free offer, with the condition that people will have to drop their WhatsApp number or their email address before they get your offer, you have been able to achieve your objective of getting contact details of targeted people out there. And from there, you can invite them to take a look at your business presentation. And this is not just about getting people. You can get a score of people. 20, 30, 40 people in a month. This is how running business online works as against doing it offline. So here is the whole summary of the whole process. You make a post about an irresistible offer on any of the social media of your choice, and people click on it and land on your capture page, your lead capture page. Your lead capture page helps you to capture their details 24/7, even while you are sleeping. And from there, their contact details also goes down to a database and automated follow-up system. So instantly and subsequently, those people continue to get a follow-up email sequence from you. And from the capture page, they land on thank you page. On the thank you page, you deliver the promised offer to them, or they get it delivered in their mail. You choose whatever system you want to adopt. And after that, you can encourage them to take a look at your business opportunity or your product that you are selling. And that is how you convert them to customers, paying clients, or even downlines. Meanwhile, these people will continue to get series of mails that will continue to redirect them to your sales page until they become a paying customer. So guys, creating system is the leverage by which you turn ordinary individuals into top producers and rock stars. If you want to become a top star, top earner, just avail yourself this new system. Now you know what you should be doing if you want to produce massive results, grow your organization, and scale your business. If you are not producing results yet, or you are not where you want to be in your business, you now know why, and most importantly, you now know what to do to fix it. Now, there are 3 paths you could choose to follow at the end of the day. You can get excited about this whole thing that you have learned, but do nothing about it. There are some people like that. They are just good at gathering information, but they will never take action on them. I believe you are not one of them. You can also be ready to learn, but decide to go figure it out all by yourself. That is equally okay. If you can do that, it's okay. Then there is this third part, which is you'll be ready to learn and implement with the help of a coach guiding you through. Success leaves clue. The fastest path to success is to look for someone who is already doing what you want to do or achieve, and have them coach and mentor you. It's actually a law. It is called the law of cause and effect. The law says whatever great things you want to achieve in life, look for people who have already done that. Ask them how they did it. Let them mentor you on how they do it, so that you will save yourself a lot of time. You won't have to be doing trial and error. Now, if you will permit me, let me coach you. Let me be your mentor. Let me coach and mentor you. Join my 5-day free implementation webinar, where I will be guiding you on how to implement by yourself the whole thing I have covered so far. My own is just to give you guidelines on what to do. And before you know it, you start to implement these things by yourself. If you haven't joined the WhatsApp group yet, where I'm going to be giving a more detailed step-by-step guide on implementation, then look for the link right in the email that delivered this video to you to get access to the WhatsApp group, because the 5-day free webinar will be holding in a special WhatsApp group. I'm sure you have come across where I asked you to join that WhatsApp group before. But let's say for one reason or the other, you were not able to join the WhatsApp group yet. Then look for the link somewhere around the email that dropped this video for you. You get a link that you can click, that you're going to eventually get access to that WhatsApp group. So, see you in the classroom. Thank you.